Welcome back. Today something special. We will be diving into the world of well tech. This is WellO2, a breathing trainer. Now this produces hot steam that basically you need to suck out of the device, and that should open your airways and strengthen your lungs. Then why did I pick this up? Well, I've been chugging a lot this spring, and I feel that the reason why I haven't been evolving enough is the fact that I can't get enough air to my lungs. So this should be able to fix that issue. Who knows? This video will be divided to two parts. This first part I will unbox and test this, and then I will do another one after the summer where I can tell you what the differences have been in my training compared to what I've done before, and comparing that to what I can do after I've been using this. Now, there are two versions available of this WellO. The basic unit is basically all that is in here. So I did purchase the Pro 2 version, and it comes with a Bluetooth mouthpiece. So I need this to measure how well I am performing compared to the previous sessions. And if you don't need to do the measuring, you can do fine with just the basic model. Now, as I said, that my idea is to measure my performance change. So the things that I want to be able to accomplish with this are simple. First up, I want to be able to run 10 kilometers at one session. Secondly, I want to run 5 kilometers under 30 minutes. And the third one will be that I want to improve my Cooper's result. At the moment, it's roughly 2 kilometers, but I want to run more in 12 minutes. Good. Now let's get to unboxing. Let's actually start with the Bluetooth piece. WellO MyBreath Generation 2.0 Smart Bluetooth Mouthpiece enables tracking and training your breathing, measure your breathing at home, get accurate data and guidance to feel better. Sounds good? Okay. Very simple. This is the mouthpiece. There's the charging cradle for it, USB-C connection, magnet, nice. Little bag for it. USB-C, the USB-A cable, I think about 50 centimeters. And the manual. Let's leave it there and check what's in the big box. All right. This looks same as every water kettle. So basically you need the power the thing to use it. Ooh, a lot of things. Little pipe, unknown piece. And this is a nose piece. 3 different colored pieces. So basically, if there are more than one people in your household using it, this is something that you need so you don't get the bacteria from the other person. Manual and the device. Whoa, that's some high-tech thing inside there. Plastic and a lot of things I don't understand, but hey, I think in this case I need to check the manual. Contents, instructions, nasal mask, user guide, breathing regulator, mouthpieces, power base, the device, the lid, the basket. Okay. We recommend to run cleaning program before using the device for the first time. Okay. Wait until 20 minutes until the program is finished. Okay, I'm gonna have to get back on this. Let's do a time warp. Okay, so now the cleansing is done. But I noticed something while assembling the device that I made some mistakes. So checking the manual, you have to match the orange pieces to each other. So, oh yeah, now it matches. Now you can change the power of the device from here. Smart piece just goes here like that. So here are instructions. Basically, you need to breathe into the device, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. So let's see how that goes. Feel cold water between the lines. Check. Okay, I will put the temperature to 1. Select the resistance. I will put that also to 1. Put in the mouthpiece. Once you have heated the water, you can blow 3 times into the machine before the exercise. so that the water bubbles. Okay, now I have to, like a water kettle, it's just warming the water. Okay, so for the next part, I'm going to need to take my phone to record it from the app, so this image will disappear. Okay, make a basic exercise, start on MyBreath. Now I need to connect it. Alright, let's blow. Wow, yeah. Let's go again. So you can see that I can breathe out for 10 seconds and breathe in for 5 seconds. That's all that my lungs can create at the beginning. So that might hopefully evolve in longer use. It's like playing a video game. You always need to get a better score. I'm not 100% sure that I'm doing it right. Over the summer, I will be exercising, training more with this, and I will hopefully get the idea. But the basic idea is that breathe into the device and it will create the hot pressure steam. Then you breathe it in. I can feel the pressure in my lungs, so hopefully this is doing something. It's fun, again! I'm getting an exercise feeling of doing this, getting sweaty and so on. Hopefully this is doing a lot of things inside my body. Okay, I think I've done it about 10 times now. Done. How was the exercise? I liked it. Do I get any feedback in the beginning? Now you can follow the progress here. Processing your data. Okay, now it's giving me initial scores. Let's see how this is evolving. Before we move to the second part of the test, there's the nose part. Let's check how this goes. So, okay, so basically just jam this in here. And same thing, you inhale and you exhale. Let's do the nose job. Oh, I can't do more. Oh. It's tougher than expected, but I think that's a good thing. So now this will be the end of the part 1. I will be using the device over the summer and I will let you later know how the progress have been gone, and I will show you my results and talk more about this device. Please comment below if you want me to test something for you or you are wondering more about this device. I will get back to you on the comments on the second video. Okay, so until the next time.